Hi, I'm Michael, Senior Account Executive here at Trumpet. So after every prospect or customer call, one of the first things I always used to do was build out a mutual action plan manually, detailing the next steps, who was involved, and what did the path to partnership look like. Always a very important task, but it was very manual and took a lot of time. Now what I can do is open up Trumpet's Copilot. I can give it some context in the form of a gone call recording, or I can upload a call transcript from our content management system. And then what I can do is give it a prompt. So as an example, add a mutual action plan based on the next steps discussed in the call transcript. What Copilot will do is read the transcript, pick out any of the commitments from that call, discuss the next steps, and then build out the mutual action plan inside the Trumpet pod automatically. Now, while I'm waiting this to load, I can also build out an executive summary, an ROI calculator, and more. So here's the finished product, detailing all of the next steps that were agreed to, who is involved, and when these should be completed. So for me, building these mutual action plans has gone from taking 30 minutes to 30 seconds thanks to Trumpet's Copilot. And for the buyer, it feels incredibly organized, it keeps them up to speed on the progress, and then makes it really easy for them to use as internal project management with other stakeholders.